Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B2625-96 pertains to a failure in the front left corner sensor of the Honda Accord, model year 2023 and newer. The code specifically indicates that the parking and backup sensor control unit has detected an issue with the left front corner sensor's performance. The role of the left front corner sensor is critical, as it helps detect obstacles when parking or reversing, providing crucial input to the vehicle's safety systems. The sensor sends attenuation values related to its operation to the parking and backup sensor control unit. If these values fall below a predetermined threshold, the unit will interpret this data as a malfunction and store the specific DTC for future reference. Accurate sensor readings are essential for the safe operation of parking assistance features, making prompt diagnosis and repair crucial for driver safety. The error described by DTC B2625-96 points to a failure in the left front corner sensor utilized by the parking and backup sensor control unit. This control unit continuously monitors the sensor's attenuation values, which reflect its operational capability. These values are critical, as a lower than expected attenuation indicates potential sensor malfunction. The left front corner sensor, located in the front left area of the vehicle, plays an integral role in detecting obstacles during maneuvers. When the parking and backup sensor control unit identifies that this sensor's values do not meet the set specifications, it triggers the error code and prevents the full functionality of parking aids. Timely inspection and troubleshooting of this sensor are necessary to ensure optimal vehicle safety during parking and reversing operations. Several factors could lead to the activation of DTC B2625-96. The most straightforward cause is a malfunctioning left front corner sensor, which may not provide the correct readings necessary for the parking and backup sensor control unit. Physical damage, corrosion, or wear can all lead to sensor failure. Another potential culprit is issues within the wiring or connectors associated with the left front corner sensor. Damaged or frayed wires can disrupt the transfer of information between the sensor and the control unit. Lastly, the parking and backup sensor control unit itself may also be faulty, which can lead to incorrect interpretation of data and thus the generation of the DTC. Conducting thorough inspections of these components will help pinpoint the exact cause of the failure. The presence of DTC B2625-96 can manifest through several symptoms that affect the vehicle's performance and user experience. A primary symptom is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, typically indicating a sensor issue or malfunction. Drivers may also notice inaccuracies in the parking assistance system, where the feature may fail to detect obstacles properly or provide misleading information. This can lead to difficulties during parking or reversing maneuvers, increasing the risk of accidents. Other sensor-related errors may also appear, further contributing to the overall dysfunction of the vehicle's backup features. It's crucial for drivers experiencing these symptoms to seek diagnostics to prevent potential safety hazards. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B2625-96 involves switching the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This step is necessary for running diagnostic checks without interference from the vehicle's operational systems. From this position, technicians should use the vehicle's diagnostic tools to check for any additional DTCs that may provide related information impacting the left front corner sensor's performance. If multiple codes are present, it is crucial to consult the BCAN System Diagnostic Test Mode A instructions, as these guidelines help in prioritizing which faults to address first. Conducting a thorough diagnostic at this stage is vital in understanding the broader context of sensor issues and ensuring that no additional underlying problems exist. The second step in troubleshooting DTC B2625-96 involves a detailed inspection of the left front corner sensor. Technicians need to check for any visible signs of physical damage, such as cracks, chips, or corrosion that may impede the sensor's functionality. In addition to inspecting the sensor itself, the condition of the wiring that leads to the sensor and the integrity of its connectors should also be checked. Poor connections, whether caused by corrosion, dirt, or physical strain, can lead to communication issues between the sensor and the control unit. Ensuring that both the sensor and its connectors are functioning properly is essential to rule out these potential faults before considering a replacement of the sensor itself. If diagnostics confirm that the left front corner sensor is faulty, the next step is to replace the sensor. It is critical to use original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts to ensure compatibility and reliability. Non-OEM components may not provide the same performance or longevity as factory-certified parts. The technician should follow the manufacturer's installation guidelines closely, ensuring that the sensor is positioned correctly and securely. After the installation, a proper calibration of the new sensor may be necessary to ensure accurate functionality with the parking and backup system. Completing this step accurately is crucial for restoring sensor performance and overall vehicle safety. Once the replacement or repair has been completed, it is essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. This begins with clearing the DTC from the memory of the parking and backup sensor control unit. Following this, technicians should recheck the functions of the left front corner sensor to ensure that it operates within appropriate parameters. A test drive is a good practice to verify that the entire parking and backup assistance system functions effectively without triggering any new error codes. Monitoring the dashboard for warning lights during the test is crucial to ensure no residual issues remain. This final verification step solidifies the repair success and restores the proper functionality to the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is vital to minimize the risk of developing issues with the left front corner sensor and the parking and backup sensor control unit. Regular inspections of the sensors should be scheduled to identify any early signs of wear or damage. Keeping the connectors clean and free from dirt ensures a stable connection, helping to maintain sensor integrity and performance over time. Additionally, it is advisable to avoid situations that could lead to physical impact or damage to the sensors, such as close encounters with obstacles during parking. These practices can significantly extend the lifespan of the sensor and help maintain the reliability of the vehicle's parking assistance features. In conclusion, addressing DTC B2625-96 is essential for ensuring the safety and efficiency of the Honda Accord's parking assistance features. Accurate and prompt diagnosis of issues related to the left front corner sensor helps prevent potential accidents and inconveniences for drivers. Following the specific troubleshooting steps provided can lead to successful identification and resolution of sensor failures. Additionally, practicing preventive maintenance can help keep the sensor system in optimal working condition, thereby enhancing vehicle safety. Understanding the role of key components such as the parking and backup sensor control unit and the left front corner sensor is crucial to effectively manage and care for the vehicle's advanced systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.